Your brain quietly washes itself every night while you are unconscious. You think sleep is a shutdown, but it is actually maintenance. While your body lies still, a hidden cleaning system wakes up. All day, your brain burns energy like a tiny biological city. It sends signals, stores memories, solves problems, and reacts to danger. But every thought leaves microscopic leftovers inside your brain tissue. Tiny chemical waste builds up in the spaces between brain cells. Used-up molecules drift around like dust in a dark room. Some proteins also need to be cleared before they cause trouble. The problem is, your brain is sealed inside your skull. It cannot simply rinse itself like your skin or your blood. So it waits for one powerful moment: deep sleep. As you fall asleep, your brain changes its rhythm. The electrical noise slows down into deep, heavy waves. Brain cells may slightly shrink, opening more space between them. Then a clear fluid begins moving through the sleeping brain. This fluid is called cerebrospinal fluid, and it surrounds your nervous system. It normally cushions your brain like a protective internal ocean, but during sleep, it can flow deeper through brain tissue. Scientists call this nighttime cleaning network the glymphatic system. Think of it like a hidden dishwasher built inside your head. The fluid moves through microscopic channels around your brain cells. It washes through the places where daily waste has collected. Then it carries that waste away through the brain's drainage pathways. Your brain is not just resting in the darkness, it is being cleaned, filtered, and reset for tomorrow. This may be one reason deep sleep feels so powerful. After good sleep, your thoughts feel sharper and lighter. After bad sleep, your mind feels slow, foggy, and heavy. Your focus drops, your mood swings, and simple things feel harder. Part of that feeling may be your brain begging for cleanup time. Because while you disappear into dreams, a silent ocean starts moving. It flows through the dark spaces between your brain cells. It carries away tiny pieces of what yesterday left behind, and when you wake up, you think you simply rested. But inside your skull, your brain has been washing itself all night.